welcome to today's deep dive. So, our mission today is to decode a really technical source we got from an HDTV Supply product page. It's for the Kramer KDS-7-MNGR AVoIP Manager.
Yeah, which sounds like a mouthful, I know.
It really does. But we're basically looking for the hidden brain that powers those massive, perfectly synchronized video displays.
Right, like what you'd see in a giant sports bar or a huge corporate video wall.
Exactly. I mean, imagine trying to manually manage 120 different TVs, right? All playing different games at the exact same time.
Oh, utter chaos.
Total chaos. It's like being an air traffic controller at a mega airport, but you literally don't have a radar screen.
Yeah, well, that is exactly where this Kramer KDS-7 Manager comes in. It's essentially the control tower for what we call AVoIP.
Audio, video over IP.
You got it. So it lives on a local network and lets a user instantly discover, status check, and configure up to 120 encoders and decoders.
And what's wild to me is how simple the interface is. You're not like hunting for a bunch of remotes or dealing with a massive switchboard.
No, not at all.
You're literally just using simple embedded web pages to manage channel routing, virtual video matrices, KVM modes, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, and treating a 4K video stream almost exactly the same as an email or a database query.
Okay, but wait. That actually brings up a huge question for me.
Sure, what is it?
If all these high-definition video feeds are just traveling over a standard IP network, I mean, isn't that a massive security risk?
Oh, absolutely. That is the first thing IT professionals ask.
Right, because what stops a hacker from just sitting in a booth with a laptop, sniffing the packets and taking over the screens to broadcast whatever they want?
Well, that's exactly why the Kramer Manager has to have robust enterprise IT-grade security built right into it.
So it's not just an open network.
Definitely not. It uses 802.1x network access control alongside standard HTTPS and TLS encryption protocols.
Meaning port-level authentication. Like, you can't just plug a rogue device into a wall jack and expect to get on the network.
Exactly. The switch will just block all your traffic unless your device has the correct cryptographic credentials to prove it belongs there.
Oh.
And on top of that, the manager holds an OWASP Top 10 security certification.
Which defends against web app vulnerabilities, right? Like
Yeah.
injection attacks.
Right. But honestly, the ultimate fail-safe for extra safety isn't even software. It's the network architecture itself.
You mean air-gapping it?
Yeah, you can deploy the Kramer Manager on an entirely separate, isolated LAN from the actual AV data streaming network.
So a bad actor would literally have to break into a locked IT closet and physically plug into the dedicated switch to even see the traffic.
Exactly the concept.
That is fascinating. The physical efficiency of this plug-and-play system is just wild. I mean, it integrates seamlessly with managed IT switches like the Netgear M4250 series.
It really does, and it's incredibly power efficient.
Right, because it runs entirely on PoE, power over Ethernet. The specs say it draws as little as 2.33 watts of power.
Yeah, which is practically nothing. Less power than it takes to charge your smartphone.
And all for a discounted price of around $1,088, which, for enterprise gear, is pretty incredible.
It really changes the game. So, the next time you marvel at a perfectly synchronized wall of screens, you'll know there isn't some tangled mess of traditional video cables behind the drywall.
Yeah, no giant matrix switch taking up a whole room.
Right. Instead, it's a seamless network orchestrated by this compact 1.5-pound aluminum box.
It really makes you look at the physical world a little differently. I mean, now that you know video and audio are just data packets on a local network managed by a single digital brain.
Yeah.
It makes you wonder, what other seemingly physical, hardwired experiences in your daily life have secretly been replaced by invisible IT networks?